And I'm here with Cardi B _5, my sister Cartier. What the heck happened to your person?
Jackson changed it.
Get up here. Okay, let me lay on there with you. So guys, Cartier, jump up and down if you're Cartier. Hey. Okay, let's explore outside right now. Come on in. Let's go around. Whoa, there's a crack in the wall. Okay, let's go up here, see what's up here.
Okay.
Oh shoot, what is this? What the heck? Okay, no, go down. We ready to go to the thing. Come on. Come in. Come on.
What thing?
Over here, the game. This man got hacked. It's multiplayer, come on.
Loyalty, don't leave me.
Come on.
I'm slow.
Hurry up. We're gonna go to easy first. It's full.
Loyalty, I think you gotta jump down here.
Come on. No, don't jump down there. Come on, come in.
Okay.
Come on. And this easy one.
Come.
Man, you are going.
What, is going Fred?
No, we're gonna wait till this thing comes. Okay, come here. Let's climb up. Ooh, whoa. Go ahead, go up. I'll be right behind you, Cartier. Ouch! I'm stuck at the top. Come on, let's go down. Okay. Everybody almost died. So, you watching our YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Cartier, you still in?
Yeah.
Don't press nothing, okay? Okay, 4 people left. Can I have some leggings, Salon? Can you get that shirt up, Salon? That shirt?
Loyalty!
What? Get back in. I told you don't press nothing. Come on, hurry up. Get in. No, not that one, Cartier. Get out of that one. Come on, the easy one. Hurry up.
What the?
Exit. Get into the easy one. Hurry up. Over here behind you. Come on, Cartier. Come on. Okay, let's wait. Can't wait till these people die.
Move. Son.
Jackson, move over there. Who team you on, Savon? Cartier's?
Yours.
Okay.
I'm on one team, so why is I'm over here?
Okay, so you're on my team, Savon, you're on Cartier's team. Okay, guys, so I'm so happy you guys are watching this. There are 3 players left, as you can see. Okay, so they already started. So right now we're just waiting. What does it say? 3 players left. Oh my gosh, I hate this place now. I forgot how overfilled it was.
This me, Salon. Duh.
Look at here. Here, come on. Come over here. We need to talk. Come here. Look at me. Look at me. Wait. Don't kiss me. Stay. Look at me. Look, please.
Mommy's coming.
Look at me, please. Please look
Nobody
at me.
did nothing, huh?
I
Savon
did something.
sweat.
No, Simone didn't. I bought ice cream and all of that. Now you ain't get it.
You did not. Savon, you always lying, saying you sweat and you never sweep nothing.
That trash needs to be in the trash can.
Watch out.
It's the orange on the floor.
That's Loyalty's.
Nope, you threw it on the floor.
I did it, Jackson did.
Cartier, we're playing. You better come on.
Okay.
Hurry up, they starting to flood.
You want to go open that window in my room? Your father stink.
When he get in there?
He ain't in there. His dirty clothes is in there.
I died, Cartier. told 3 times. Cardi, are you done? Okay, let's go back in there.